7:42 this Sunday morning. We're taking a live look right now over Sunday River. See some people going up on the chairlift. Are you a skier, Aaron?
I've never once even stepped foot on a ski slope.
Oh, okay.
So.
I would not be the person to teach you. I'm not very good at skiing
Todd,
myself.
I should go up for what's Outside Edge, right? It's called.
Yep.
I said Mallory. I should go up for that with Mallory.
Yeah, she would probably leave you in the dust. I don't know.
Oh, I would have to go with somebody who could teach me on the bunny slopes.
Oh well, I can't teach. I could fall with you because it's not pretty. I've not been in like 9 years, so maybe this will be the year.
Maybe we just chill inside with an adult beverage.
That is typically where I tend to go.
I mean, that's not a bad choice.
No,
I mean, this is the perfect time with all the snow. It's not the driest snow. It's pretty wet for most people around the area, but either way, we got a lot of snow yesterday. We're still continuing to see more falling as we go through your day today. A lot of people in western Maine got a decent bit, and it's still continuing to fall for eastern Maine. Let's focus on this first. 12 to 18 inches for most people around the mountains there. And if you're down towards the coast a bit more, it's a lot more of a gradient. It goes from like 8 inches down to 6 to 4, like nothing in 2 seconds. Not even enough space on this map to show you. Now, this is going to be a future storm total event over here. 18 to 24 inches in eastern and northern Maine is what we expect between yesterday, today, and tomorrow. So let's break that down for you guys as to what that is. This is why we have a winter storm warning in effect for you. Everybody in the pink here, stretching down from parts of Washington County, most of it, up through the county for your day until 1 p.m. tomorrow, which is when we can generally expect the bulk of the snow event to be completed by then. Even though we got all the significant snowfall is mostly already fallen, there's just still more continuing as the low pressure system continues to move off to our east and just gives us some snow. This is generally where we can expect to see it continuing as we go through your day here today. Again, that whole area that was in pink a second ago, that's where you can expect to see the most of the snowfall. It's just slowly inching its way to the east as we go through your morning here. As we continue on, we're going to generally see that same general forecast. If you live in southwestern Maine or western Maine, a couple peaks of sunshine here as we go throughout your day for your Sunday. Same general story for tomorrow with some sunshine coming back out into the forecast. But those living northern Maine, eastern Maine, like I said, still continuing to see more snowfall. Now, how much snowfall is what you're probably going to ask next. And with that, I think these numbers might be underdoing it just a bit, probably looking anywhere from some people only getting another inch or so. Up here, we're going to expect a little bit more. Millinocket, Caribou, Presque Isle up in there as well. Probably another 2 to 4 inches. Some places probably even getting up to another half of a foot, if not a little bit more in some higher elevations. So we are still seeing more snow falling for that half of Maine. The other half of Maine not looking quite the same for snowfall totals. Something we're all kind of dealing with, though, is going to be your winds. These have also since calmed down from yesterday. Yesterday was quite windy outside with the heavy snow and everything, kind of weighed it all down and caused a lot of power outages. I know yesterday morning, like 24 hours ago, it was around 60,000 people without power. That's since calmed down, but we still have a lot of people without power, and they're going to work on getting that back together today. It's going to pick up again as we go through your day tomorrow, but we still have black ice in the ground. We'll probably see that continuing here as we go through the next several days because temperatures aren't really warming up that much in the grand scheme of things, even though we will have some sunshine coming back out. We're staying in the 30s mainly for the week ahead. Friday's the next big event we're kind of watching for you guys. Looking like it's going to lean towards rain for us, but we'll get that more honed in as we get a bit closer. That high temperature, we'll probably drop that as we go to your day tomorrow as well. So it's not probably going to be an overly warm day. I mean,
right. At least we get a little break with some sunshine, though, so we'll take that.
Yeah. Is this winter in Maine?
Yeah, you're in.
I'm learning.
Here we go. Thank you, Aaron.